Children, say in this class we will learn about the addition, chapter 4, page number 86. Okay, addition in the sense adding numbers. In the last class we have learned about addition of 4-digit numbers. Now here addition of 5-digit numbers. In the addition without carrying. See, addition without carrying, it's little bit easier than addition with carry. So without carry, we can add here addition of 5-digit numbers and more. One example. I'm taking example from the exercise 57,931 plus, see, this is the symbol of addition, plus 42,035. See, in addition, the numbers what we add, they are called addends. Addend, this is also called addend. And when we add, we will get the result, no? That is called sum. There will be 3 numbers or 4 numbers or more than that. So each number is called addend. So there will be many addends, and the result is called sum in addition. See, let us start from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We have to start from the rightmost place, that is ones. Addition or subtraction, whatever, we start from the ones. See, in 57,921, there is 1 in the ones place. In 42,035, there is 5 in the ones place. So 1 ones plus 5 ones. So in this way, 1 plus 5 ones. 1, value of 1 is 1 here, value of 5 is 5. So 1 plus 5 ones. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, that is 6. One plus 5 is 6. No carry. So addition without carrying it is 2 plus 3. 2 tens plus 3 tens. So 2 is in tens place, 3 is in tens place. So 2 tens plus 3 tens. You know that 2 plus 3, 5 tens. 2 plus 3, 5 tens. In the 100 place, there is 9 here. Here it is 0. It means 9 hundreds plus 0. 9 hundreds plus 0. 9 plus 0, that is 9. In the thousands place, there is 7 here. It means 7,000. In this number, in the thousands place, there is 2, that is 2,000. 7,000 plus 2,000. 7,000 plus 2,000. 7 plus 2, 9. No carry. In the 10,000 place, there is 5. It means 5 10,000s. 5 10,000s plus 4 10,000s. 5 10,000s means 50,000. 4 10,000s, you know that 5 10,000 It means 50,000, 4 10,000, so 40,000. 50,000 plus 40,000, 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. See, ones, tens, 100. 99,956 is the sum when we added these two add-ins. Add-in, if it is more than one, we will call it as add-ins. 99,956 is the sum of these two numbers. And sum is total. When we add, we will get. See, this is ones place, tens. You have to add the digits according to places. Suppose we have to add 4,230 to this. See, it is 4,230. 4 we have to write under thousands place, 2 under hundreds, 3 under tens, 0 under ones. Because we have to start from the right side, 0 under ones, here 3 tens. In the 10,000 place, nothing. When we add this, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 9 plus 2, here there will be carry. So it's addition without carry, so I will make it 0 here. 9 plus 0, 9, 7 plus 4, again carry. Okay, 2030, 7 plus 2, 9, 59,951. So addition without carry. So with carry we will come to know later. So you have to add in this way. The places are here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. You have to add 6 zeros, 6 ones plus 1 ones, 5 tens plus 4 tens, 3 hundreds plus 200. So in this way you can add easily. Here arrange the following numbers in column and then add. In the same way you have to arrange these numbers in column and add. Here there are 3 add-ins. Let me see one. See in your exercise. $4,333. 4,333. Before that, I am writing as it is. See. See, addition without carrying, but here we have to add these 3 add-ins. There are 3 add-ins. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Here, ones place 1, tens place 2, hundreds 2, thousands 2, 10,000s 5, lakhs place 4. Here ones place 1, tens 4, hundreds 4, thousands 1, 10,000s 4, and lakhs 5. One more number, 4,331. See, ones place 1, tens place 3, hundreds also 3, thousands 4. So we have to add these three addends. See, 4,000 up to 1,000 only, 4,331. You cannot write 4,000 here. 4,331 you can't write here. 4 should be under 1,000 space, 3 under 100 space, 3 under 1 space, 1 under 1 space. See, you have to add only ones here first. First step, 1 ones, 1 1, here again 1 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 ones, 3 ones. 2 tens plus 4 tens plus 3 tens. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9 tens. 9 tens, 2 hundreds, 4 hundreds, 3 hundreds. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 hundreds. In the thousands place, 2,000s, 1,000 and 4,000. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. In the 10,000s place there is 5. 5 10,000s plus 4 10,000. 5 plus 4, 9. Here nothing, I mean 0. 5 plus 4, 9 10,000s. 9 10,000s. In the lakhs place, 4 lakhs. Here 5 lakhs. 4 plus 5, 9 lakhs. Say, according to period, we have to put the comma. Ones, tens, 100. Here 1,000, 10,000. 9 lakh, 97,993. This is the sum of all the three numbers. This is added. This is also called added. When we added these three addends, we got this sum 9,97,993. This is addition without carry. So we did not take any carries here. When will we take carry? When we add the numbers, when we get more than 9. Suppose it is 2 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. If it is more than 9, we have, if it is, suppose, if it is 10, we have to write 0 and we have to take carry 1 here. So, addition with the carry. Next, addition with carrying. Some problems are solved here. Here also, you can go through this, but I am doing this. Exercise B. Add the following. Addition with carry. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎ. ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 35,413 plus 14,232. 7. See, first addend is 35,413. Second addend is 14,237. So we have to start from the ones. 3 ones plus 7 ones. 3 ones plus 7 ones. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 ones. See, 3 ones plus 7 ones. 3 ones plus 7 ones. 3 plus 7, 10 ones. You know that 10 ones is equal to 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 10 thousands is equal to 10,000. The place name itself is 10,000. So it goes in this way. So the difference is 10 times greater it is. Tens is 10 times greater than ones. Hundreds is 10 times greater than tens. Thousands is 10 times greater than 100. 10,000s is 10 times greater than 1000. Okay. So 10 tens is equal to 10 ones is equal to 110. 3 plus 7, 10 ones. 3 ones plus 7 ones, 10 ones. So 10 ones is equal to 110. So I am writing 0 here. So that 10 ones I am making as 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. So I am writing 1 here. 110. So this 110 is equal to 10 ones here. Now 110 here also 110, 3 tens. 1 plus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 5 tens. No carry. Remember 2 plus 3. 1 plus 1 plus 3 5 tens. Now 4 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. 4 plus 2 6. 6 hundreds. No carry. 5 thousands plus 4 thousands. 5 thousands plus 4,000. 5 plus 4 9. If it is more than 9, we have to take carry. 3 thousands, 10,000s plus 1 10,000s. 3 plus 1 4. 1 tens 100. 49,650 is the sum. So we took carry only here. See, write the numbers according to places first, then easily you can add from the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. One more. Arrange the following numbers in the columns and add. First one. 78,925 and 21,395. There will be carry. First we have to write the name of the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, maximum 10,000. So tens place 2, hundreds 9, thousands 8, 10,000 7. Here ones place 5, tens 9, hundreds 3, thousands 1, 10,000. Addition. See, with carrying 5 ones plus 5 ones. 5 plus 5, 10 ones. You know that 10 ones is equal to 110. So I am writing 0 here, carry 1. That 10 ones I am taking as 110. Now 1 plus 2, 110 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 2, 3, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 tens. We can't write 12 tens here. 1 10 plus 2 10 plus 2 tens plus 9 tens. 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 9 tens. 1 plus 2, 3, 9 plus 3, 12 tens. So, in 12 tens, you know that I am writing 12 10 as 10 10 plus 2 tens. Because 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. So remaining 2 tens I will write here. Total 12 tens, only 2 tens I am writing here. Remaining 10 tens I am taking here to hundreds place. 10 tens is equal to 100. You know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So I mean 10 times greater place. So tens place is 10 times greater than ones. Hundreds is 10 times greater than tens. In the same way, the difference is 10 times. Here I am writing 2 tens here and 10 tens I am taking as 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. Here again 100 plus 900 plus 300s. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 hundreds. So only 3 hundreds I am writing here. In 13, 10 plus 3, 3 I am writing here. The 10 hundreds I am taking as 1000. This 10 hundreds I am taking as 1000. Now it is thousands place. 8 plus 1, 1000 plus 8000 plus 1000. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Clearly it is 10,000. So 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Clearly I can write 0 here, that 10,000 is equal to 1 10,000. So I took carry here. I wrote 0. 1 10,000 plus 7 10,000s plus 2 10,000s. 1 plus 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1 I am writing in the last place. No more digits here. So that carried digit is 1. ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So the sum is 1,320. 1,320. See, while adding the digits 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 once is equal to 110. No extra digits here. So that 10 ones I took it as 110. So 110 plus 210 plus 910, 12 tens. So in 12 I did as 10 plus 2. So 2 I wrote as it is. That 10 tens. You can't take 10 here. You have to take only 1 here. Because 10 tens is equal to 100. This 10, you can't write 10 here. You can take only carry digit. I mean 10 times greater it is. So 10 tens is equal to 100. So I took 1 here. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 3, 13. 3 I wrote 13. I did as 10 plus 3. So 10 hundreds is here. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 3 as it is. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 1, 10, 0. Because it's clearly 10. 0 remained here. That 10 I wrote in the 10,000 place. 7 plus 1 plus 2. 1 10,000, 7 10,000, 2 10,000. 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 0. Next place 1. 1,320. In the 10,000 place 0. In the 1,000 place 0. Read it as 1,320. Arrange the following numbers in the column and add. This is done for you. See, 50,726, it is 136. So here 5 under 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place, because 5 in the 10,000 place. But here it is 136, 6 ones, 3 tens, 100. So write according to places. Same. $17,892. Next 351. 351. For 14,359. 14,350. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Sometimes you should learn to write without the name of the places. See, ones, tens, 100. 351 up to 100 only. But here it is 5 digit number, 3 digit number, again 5 digit number. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 9, 12, only 2, back. 10 ones I took it as 100, 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 15, 20. So I am writing 0, I am taking carry 2 here. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 10, 20. So 2 tens, 20 tens, I took it as 200. 200 plus 800 plus 300 plus 300. 8 plus 2, 10, 30, 16, 6. Carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. It means 110,000 plus 110,000 plus 110,000. So 3 10,000. 32,602. There are many examples you can do, right, according to places. Find the sum 15,000s plus 500s plus 16 tens, 18 ones. So, ones I'm doing. B 19 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,800 plus 17 tens, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Why I am writing this name of the places? To easily you can place the digits in the right places. 19 10,000s. So it is 10,000 place. So maximum we can write up to 9. If it is more than 9, we have to take carry 1 to lakhs place. So 19 10,000 means 19 10,000 is equal to 10 10,000 plus 9 10,000. 19 10,000, 10,000 plus 9 10,000. 10,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 10,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay. So in 19 10,000, in 10,000 place I am writing 9 and 1 I am writing in the lakhs place, remaining 0. 19 10,000 means 1 lakh 90,000. 1 lakh 90,000 plus 6,000, very clearly. If it is less than 10, so in the thousands place 6,000, 6,000s, 1,800s. 10 is equal to 1,000. 10 is equal to 1,000. So 800 plus 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds plus 800, 1,800. So on that 10 hundreds I am writing as 1,000. 1,800, 1,800, 17 tens. So 7 tens I am writing here. This 10 tens is equal to 100. So 1 is in the 100 place. 17 tens means 170. 1,800 means 1,800. 6,000, clearly 6,000. 19 10,000 means 1,90,000. So now say easily you can add 0. Here 7, 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 1 7. Here it is 9. In the last place 1. 1,97,970 is the sum. So in the same way you can do this. Find the sum. One is done. Fourth one, you have to fill the boxes. Once tens in the 100 place, you have to write the appropriate digit. Here there is in the thousands place 1, 10,000, 5. Once again, $5,000, 51,000, blank. Here there is about 6, 8, 2. In the ones place you have to fill 0, 1, 7, 9, 4. Addition, 3 plus dash is equal to 4. Very easy, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Dash plus 8 is equal to 7. So it is not possible. So you have to add 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. That one we can take here. 9 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 8, 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 5 plus dash is equal to 0. I mean there is 1 in the last place. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. I don't see it is there is 0. That carried digit is here. Okay. You can solve this. Guess the digit and place it, add it, you will get, otherwise change the digit. 4 plus dash plus 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. Okay, in that way you can add. So properties of addition we will learn in the next class.